Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and in my first impressions video of the Mi A3, remember how I said that the camera seemed pretty good? Well, I've been testing out the cameras on the Mi A3 for the past couple of days, and I've been testing it out with the default Mi Camera app and the Google Camera Mod. And well, that's exactly what I'm going to talk about today. Now, before we get started, I'd suggest you to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post an awesome new video. Now that you've done that, let's talk about the Mi A3's cameras. So we all know that the cameras on the Mi A series phones have always been great. The Mi A1 brought great dual cameras, the Mi A2 had some of the best cameras in the price segment, and now the Mi A3 arrives with the new triple camera setup that is supremely capable. We are talking about a 48 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And at first I was taking photos with its default camera app, and to be honest, I was impressed. Just check out some photos. So as you can see, the Mi A3 captures some really good shots in all types of lighting conditions, be it good light and even in low light. The photos are pretty good for a phone that has been priced at less than 15,000 rupees. Now when it comes to the competition, I did take a few comparison shots, so let's take a look. So I thought if the default camera app on the Mi A3 works so well, how would the Google Camera Mod perform on the Mi A3? Well, I tested out the Google Camera Mod on the phone and the results were amazing. The Google Camera Mod really enhances the photos on the Mi A3 in both daytime and low light. Let me show you. Starting off with this shot that I really like. First, the usual photo from the Mi A3. Now this is good, right? Now take a look at the Gcam photo. Well, this is a gorgeous shot. The Gcam Mod just adds more details. Let's just zoom in on the tree in the corner here. Plus the dynamic range is better too. Yeah, this is just a great shot. Anyway, here's another shot that I really like. This again is beautiful, and by default the Mi A3 captures it amazingly well. But then there's the Gcam shot that has dynamic range, improves the colors of the building, the trees. It's an amazing shot really, and a pretty good improvement over the default shot. Moving on to the next photo, this one is a decent photo from the default camera app in the Mi A3, but yeah, it is slightly overexposed. Now check out the same scenario shot with the Gcam Mod. But see the difference? The colors, the contrast, sharpness, just better. And if you zoom in on the text here, you'll see the magic Gcam brings. It is awesome. So yeah, the Gcam Mod makes the Mi A3's cameras even better, but those were daytime photos. Things get even more interesting in low light. Let's check out some low light photos. Starting off with this shot where the default camera app does a fine job, but yeah, the lights are kind of messed up. Now check out the Gcam shot. What a difference. Gcam not only fixes the lights, it just makes the overall photo better. Here's a wider shot of the same building, and again, see all the lights in these photos? The Gcam photo handles all the lights way better than the usual photo. It's a pretty big difference really. Now here's another example. This is the photo from the Mi Camera app, which is pretty good, but you can see the text is a little blurry. And the photos on these hoardings aren't very clear. Well, Gcam fixes that. Check this out. See, everything's just way better now. And you know what? Gcam not only fixes the lights, it also takes brighter shots at times. Like in this scenario. Here Gcam fixes the lights and captures a brighter, sharper shot. Well, here are some more photos from the Mi Camera app and the Gcam Mod side by side. And mostly the Gcam Mod really enhances the photos. It's not perfect, to be honest. There are times like in this photo and in this photo where Gcam just makes things a little too dark, which isn't something I like. So in that case, I prefer the Mi Camera app. But yeah, overall, I like what the Gcam does on the Mi A3. I mean, the Gcam Mod even makes the portrait mode better. Just look at these shots. The portrait mode with Gcam just looks slightly better with better blur and edge detection. And that's not all. The selfies are a whole lot better too. And that's when the Mi A3's 32 megapixel selfie camera is pretty good on its own. So Gcam on the Mi A3 is good. To conclude things, in my testing, the Mi A3's cameras compare really well against the competition, and that's with the stock camera app. The Gcam Mod makes the cameras on the Mi A3 a lot better. I think the Mi A3 just became my favorite camera phone in this price range. To be honest, I was expecting great camera performance from the Mi A3, and it has delivered. Add to that all the features it brings, like the Super AMOLED display, the faster UFS 2.1 storage, which makes the phone snappy, the big 4030 mAh battery which lasted me all day easily during my whole camera testing day out, and the great stock Android experience, and you get a phone that sounds pretty good at rupees 13,000, right? But that's what I think. What are your thoughts? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, if you'd like us to give the Gcam treatment to any other phone, tell us in the comment section below. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.